Make a pot of chicken stock with a whole chicken and a couple pounds of chicken wings. Add to the stock pot 4 carrots, 1 onion stuck with 1 clove, 2 leeks, a sprig of thyme and 1 bay leaf. Season with pepper, but not with salt. Place over a moderate heat and cover until it boils. Skim off any foam which rises to the surface. Reduce the heat and simmer uncovered for 2 hours. Strain the stock into a clean bowl, discarding the vegetables and reserving the chicken for another use. Refrigerate for 24 hours. The next day, skim off the thin layer of fat on the surface of the stock. Heat the stock gently. Pour the stock into small containers and cover tightly. Freeze the chicken stock.